Good morning, ladies. Good morning. This is Niu Woman coming to you again this morning. I'm just going to highlight some of the things I did on the weekend, and I just want to praise a few women that I feel are really dedicated to and committed to some of the community services that we have here in Perth. So I would like to acknowledge and just praise some right now, the ones that are running the PNC group. We have dedicated beautiful ladies from Niu Woman that are here in WA, who I feel that are very, very committed to what they're doing. We also have some that are running the PNC WA church service, and we have some that are running the WA dance. So our Niu Woman community now is really very much getting together and coming together as a committee, and I just want to praise them. Just want to give them a lot of, just lift them up and say, thank you ladies, you're doing you're doing a great job. Keep the good work up, and we look forward to the new year because 2017 is just around the corner. And that's what I just wanted to highlight more of today for the Niu Woman. As these beautiful ladies here in Perth, you know who you are, you're so dedicated and so committed, and I do praise you for that, and thank you. Cheers.